How to keep a heater thermostat accurate. Keeping a thermostat functioning properly is important to ensure the comfort of the household and to ensure energy savings and efficiency. This is a very simple trick to help you keep the thermostat clean so that it stays accurate. All you need is a business card. Steps. 1. Remove the cover of the thermostat. 2. Slide a business card between the contacts. In doing this, the card will pick up dirt, fluff, and any other foreign particles that might stick up the connection. 3. Remove the card and discard it. 4. Place the cover back onto the thermostat. 5. Write the date for the next clean in your calendar. This should be done monthly during winter usage, and quarterly for the rest of the year. Things. Business card. Thermostat.